Welcome back to Where on Earth, the channel that finds the geography behind the most extraordinary places on this planet. Here's a fact that will stop you. If you took Mount Everest, the highest point on Earth, and placed it upside down at the bottom of the Mariana Trench, the summit of Everest would still be 2 kilometers underwater. That is how deep the Mariana Trench is. Earth is a planet of extraordinary contrasts. Places so hot, so cold, so wet, so dry, so high, so deep that they seem impossible until you understand the geography behind them. Today we explore the most extreme places on Earth and why geography made them what they are. Extreme 1, the highest. Mount Everest rises 8,848 meters above sea level on the border of Nepal and Tibet. Around 50 million years ago, the Indian plate collided with Eurasia. Neither plate could sink, so the crust buckled upward into the Himalayas. Everest rose from that collision and is still rising today. Marine fossils near the summit reveal that the highest point on Earth was once beneath an ancient ocean. Extreme 2, the deepest. The Mariana Trench in the western Pacific reaches nearly 11 kilometers below sea level. Here the Pacific plate dives beneath the Mariana plate. As the plate bends downward into the mantle, it forms the deepest trench on Earth. Extreme 3, the hottest. Death Valley in California recorded 56.7 degrees Celsius. It lies below sea level inside a basin surrounded by mountains. Hot air sinks into the valley, compresses, and heats further. Clear skies and almost no moisture allow heat to build with nowhere to escape. Extreme 4, the coldest. Vostok Station in Antarctica recorded minus 89.2 degrees Celsius. Antarctica is a frozen continent at high elevation with months of darkness in winter. It stores little heat and radiates energy into space, creating the coldest temperatures ever measured. Extreme 5, the wettest. Mawsynram in northeastern India receives nearly 12 meters of rain each year. Moist air from the Bay of Bengal strikes the Meghalaya Plateau and is forced rapidly upward. As the air rises, it cools and releases extraordinary rainfall. Extreme 6, the driest. The Atacama Desert in Chile is the driest non-polar desert on Earth. The cold Humboldt Current suppresses rainfall from the Pacific, the Andes block moisture from the east, and high-pressure systems prevent clouds from forming. Some places there have gone decades with almost no measurable rain. Extreme 7, the lowest. The Dead Sea shoreline sits around 430 meters below sea level. It lies in a tectonic rift where plates are pulling apart and the land is sinking. With no outlet to the ocean, water evaporates and leaves salt behind, making the Dead Sea one of the saltiest bodies of water on Earth. 7 extremes. 7 geographic explanations. The highest from collision, the deepest from subduction, the hottest from trapped desert heat, the coldest from altitude and darkness, the wettest from monsoon uplift, the driest from blocked moisture, the lowest from tectonic rifting. These places are not accidents. They are geography in action. Subscribe to Where on Earth for weekly geography that explains the world in ways nothing else does. Because the world looks very different when you understand the geography of its extremes.